Hey guys, Richie here from Promt. Today we're looking at service kits, specifically for Suzuki outboard motors, and I've got a kit for a DF 250A through 300A and 250, 2011 and onwards. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Now this is a kit that has all the parts in it that Suzuki recommend for servicing this engine. You've got your engine oil filter, water pump impeller, water pump cup insert, water pump O-ring, all the other water pump parts, your water pump faceplate and gasket, power trim system anode, 6 spark plugs for the engine, the O-rings for checking the anodes, cylinder block anodes, water pump impeller key, oil sump drain washer, engine fuel filter, and the drain and fill gaskets for when you're refilling the gear case. Now all these are available, service kits, at promptparts.co.nz. Search engine parts, look at engine service kits. You'll find the service kit that suits your engine make and model in that location. Thanks.